Hi there, this is Luca with Nativevideo, a solution available on the Salesforce App Exchange. Today we're talking about headhunting, passive candidates, video messages. If you've been following our channel, you've seen that last week we've introduced video interviews to help recruitment teams using Salesforce as their ATS or applicant tracking system streamline the recruitment effort for early careers or large volume intakes, such as graduate intakes or retail or hospitality intakes. Well, this week we continue talking about recruitment, but we switch our attention towards headhunting. The most challenging part for any headhunter is to break through a very busy inbox or of a very busy passive candidate, a candidate who's not on the market, and convince them that there is something relevant and interesting for them for their next career move. On the other side, if you're a candidate, you are a candidate also here on LinkedIn, I'm sure you've received messages from headhunters, from recruiters that don't feel relevant, and don't feel like there's a recruiter behind them that has made the effort to really check your profile and match you with the best possible opportunity. And therefore, you're not really engaged and you're not really interested in following up with this recruiter. Well, dear recruiters, dear candidates, everybody, video messages can help create that engagement early on. From the receiver side, it puts a face to a name. It kind of gets the message through and gets the message across much better. And from who's creating the message side, it enables you to show that you've actually made a real effort, that there's no copy paste in the message that you're sending, but you're genuinely trying to reach out to the best possible candidate. So that's why a lot of our clients using our solution, they also use it to send out video messages personalized to the best passive candidates that they've seen, the profiles that match exactly what they're looking for. A message that goes something like, hey, dear candidate, I was reading your profile with interest. I've seen that you've worked here and here, and you have relevant experience in this particular industry, in this particular use case. Well, we are this particular company, and we have a great opportunity for you that will represent the best possible move, I believe, in your career. If you have 5 minutes of your time, I would love to talk to you about it. Well, if you're a candidate and you receive a message like this from the person that will actually conduct a good and large part of the screening and the recruitment, at least in the first phase, you are a lot more likely to respond to that. So dear recruiters, candidates as well, but dear recruiters, if you want to know more, if you're using Salesforce as your ATS and you want to know more about how to create video messages and engage passive candidates in the best possible way, get in touch with us. We are Nativevideo, and we enable businesses and people connect in a whole new way through video.